In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a montage video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the video clips you want to include in your montage. Once your media is imported, drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Next, let's trim and arrange our clips. Move the playhead to the desired start or end point of the video, and drag the layer of the clip to trim your videos. Just repeat this process until you finish arranging and trimming your clips. To create smooth transition between clips, go to the Transition tab, browse through the available transitions, and select the ones that best suit your montage. Click the transition layer and click Apply to All. You can adjust the duration of the transition by moving the scale slider to your preferred duration. Now, let's add some effects to enhance your montage. Go to the Effects tab and explore different effects available. Choose an effect and add it to the timeline. You can adjust the effect duration by dragging the edges of its layer. To make our video more dynamic, let's add animation. Click on the first layer and go to the Animation tab, select In, and apply your preferred animation. Now, select the last video clip, go back to Animation, select Out, and choose your ending animation. For a polished look, let's apply some filters. Go to the Filters tab and browse through the available options. Select a filter that enhances the overall mood of your montage and drag it to the timeline. Drag its layer to match the duration of the whole video. Review your montage by playing it back on the timeline. As you have seen, the last clip is a still video. It doesn't have a camera movement. To fix that, let's create a zoom in effect. Click on the last video layer, move the playhead to the start of the clip, go to the toolbar, and click on Add Keyframe button. After that, move the playhead at the end of the clip and go back to the toolbar and add another keyframe. Next, adjust the scale of the last video clip by dragging the scale slider to your liking. This will create a camera movement to our video. Once you're done, play back your video to see the result. Once you're satisfied with the montage, click Export. And that's it. You successfully created a montage video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks.